There are moments in the world that show not just one country, but the entire world, how profound the power of freedom. This is the story of America.
Hello everyone, today I have a short video for you about America, so let's start the video.
When hundreds of flags wave in the American sky, it becomes clear how much this nation loves its freedom. The people have come to raise their voices, to highlight their faith and their future.
There are different people here, different opinions. Some want change, others seek continuity. Someone stands firmly by their values. But at the end of the day, everyone wants America to be stronger, to go further. Every smile, every slogan, every flag reminds us that America's strength comes from the passion of its people. One country, one flag, one identity, United States of America. Thank you.
If you like the video, subscribe now, share your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to see more great moments from America, don't forget to like and share the video. See you again in the new video. Thanks for sticking with us so far.